Attention, a 3D figurine giveaway is happening. If you want to participate, find all the details at the end of the video. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of one of the first figurines from our collection. Enjoy watching. To participate in the free giveaway, you need to follow these conditions, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Leave a comment, and we will assign a number to your comment. The giveaway will run until February on the evening of February 16, 2024. We will randomly select a winner using a special number generator service and announce the winner on our channel in the community section. Participate and win. Good luck.